the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, reimagined, electrified, and ready to conquer both city streets and dirt trails alike. Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser returns in a modern age, now fully hybrid, brimming with off-road capability, and combining retro charm with today's tech. Let's explore what makes this 2025 model stand out. This Land Cruiser sports Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder paired with an electric motor and 8-speed automatic, delivering 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Despite downsizing from the old V8, this hybrid setup not only delivers smooth power but also better fuel economy, roughly 22 mpg city and 25 mpg highway, or 23 combined. It'll tow up to 6,000 pounds, making it capable for trailers and adventure gear. Equipped with full-time 4WD, locking center and rear differentials, multi-terrain drive modes, crawl control, downhill assist, and an electronically disconnectable front stabilizer bar, this Land Cruiser isn't just city-ready, it's trail-ready. The 2025 Land Cruiser comes in two trims, the retro-inspired, 1958, and the more modern, Land Cruiser. The 1958 edition gives you round heritage-style LEDs, a classic grille, fabric seats, and 18-inch alloy wheels, while the standard trim offers a sleeker design, upgraded tech, and leatherette or leather seating. You've also got unique exterior colors like heritage blue, trail dust, ice cap, meteor shower, and two-tone options. Inside, expect modern touches, a 7-inch digital gauge cluster, an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 with features like pre-collision detection, adaptive cruise, and lane assist. You'll also find heated front seats, and in higher trims, luxuries like a sunroof and premium leather. On the road, it's smooth and composed. Reviewers note it's not the quickest SUV out there, taking about 8.2 seconds from 0 to 60, but it shines with comfort and stability. Some owners love the rugged vibe, though a few find the cabin a bit snug. Pros: rugged off-road capability with hybrid efficiency, iconic design, comfortable and safe interior, strong towing capacity. Cons: slower acceleration, smaller cargo area, and handling that can feel heavy in corners. What sets the 2025 Land Cruiser apart is its blend of legendary reliability, modern hybrid efficiency, and go-anywhere ability. It's not just a vehicle, it's a modern legend. Whether you're headed to the office or off-grid, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser blends heritage with today's technology and tomorrow's efficiency. If you want versatility without losing that iconic toughness, this SUV deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more reviews.